Hey everyone, welcome back to Quad Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily install all the dependencies for your Python projects using a requirements.txt file. If you've ever found yourself manually installing packages one by one, or you're just getting started with Python development, this video is for you. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to set up your projects faster and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. Open a command prompt and navigate to the directory where your requirements.txt file is located. Run the following command to install all the packages listed in requirements.txt. Make sure Python and pip are installed on your system. That's it. Now you know how to install dependencies with requirements.txt. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.